Consul General Robert Silberstein visited the mazar of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He laid a flower wreath at the tomb and paid his respects to the founder of Pakistan, and signed the guestbook on behalf of the people of the United States. Consul General noted that the visit had offered him the opportunity to reflect upon Quaid-e-Azam's democratic vision of a unified Pakistan that respects diversity, religious harmony, and pluralism, values that people in the United States also hold very dear. Consul General later visited the tombs of Quaid's sister Fatima Jinnah and Liaquat Ali Khan, Pakistan's first Prime Minister. Robert Silberstein also visited the adjoining museum and greatly appreciated the artifacts related to Quaid's life.